Let's stretch the legs today. We will need a strap. It could be a yoga strap or your belt or your dog strap. Come to your back. Extend the right leg long to the sky, left leg long into the mat. Grab the strap and bring it to the sole of the right foot. Extend the leg long to the sky. Press to your heel, your toes to the sky, and make sure that all the muscles around your knee are active. Your leg need to be away from you, it's fine. Just find that place for you. And let's stay here. Pulling the strap from each side. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This time grab the strap with the right hand. Send the leg to the right. Find the place where it's comfortable for you. Make sure the left hip is not lifted. And let's breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. In the next inhale, bring the leg to center. Grab the strap with the left hand and just gently send the left to the leg. Stop when you feel something in your hips. And just breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Come back to center and let's exchange legs. Right leg extended into the mat, left leg long to the sky. Bring the strap to the sole of your feet. You press to your heel and your toes are pointing you. Make sure all the muscles around your knee are active, and remember you need to bring the leg away from your chest. Just find that place where it's work for you. And then we start to breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. In the next inhale, grab the strap with the left hand. Send the leg to the left. Make sure your leg is extended. Your right hip is on the mat. You need to go too deep. And then let's breathe together. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. And then come to center in the next inhale. Grab the strap with the right hand. Send the leg to the right. Make sure your legs extended. Stop when the left hip you start to feel something strong. And let's breathe together. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Let's start to meditate. Today I invite you to meditate in child pose if this is comfortable for you. If not, just come to a seated pose. You come to child pose, bring your toes together, open your knees wide, extend your arms forward, bring your forehead to the mat, and just immediately start to connect with yourself. Just feel your body. Just check your body in this pose, just to connect with that feelings of your body. Then, what are your thoughts? Just nothing to change, just being aware of you, and then concentrate on your breathing. Inhale, open mouth, exhale, and then stay with you. It is time to come back. Slowly bring yourself up to seated in your heels. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center.